Welcome fellow traders. Today I am analyzing Waka Waka EA performance with Exness, IC Market and Tickmill. This is my VPS and here I have opened account with Exness and I am using Waka Waka EA in time frame M1. This I have opened this account with 500 USD and performance of this expert advisor is it has made around 149 USD. Now open expert properties. Here I am using max symbol at a time 2 and I am using two currency symbols GBP USD and Euro USD and time frame is M1. I have found that Waka Waka EA can work in any time frame M1, M5, M15. Now I am opening my account with IC Market. Here I am using Waka Waka EA in time frame M15 and I am using 5 symbols and I am using all these symbols and here I am also using micro martingale, pirate EA and golden pickaxe EA, hunter knight EA and aurora superstar and Waka Waka EA. But most of the trades are executed by Waka Waka EA. Here you can see that most of the trades are opened by Waka Waka EA and now open account history. For the last 3 months there are 400 USD generated by different expert advisors, but most of the trades are executed by Waka Waka EA. Now open Tickmill demo account. Here I am using Waka Waka EA in time frame M15 and I am using two samples at a time and here I am using these currency symbols. Now open account history. Here you can see that mostly trades are executed by Waka Waka EA. And uh, for the last month for the last 3 months there are 160 USD generated by these expert advisors. Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Happy trading.